Hey everybody.
Hey y'all.
So tonight we are making lemon pepper chicken, and we have our garlic pepper seasoning. We have our lemon juice, of course, and then we have our butter.
Get it a little closer for them. All right, we have one freshly squeezed lemon. Our family brought this from Georgia.
And then our butter.
Yes.
And our garlic pepper seasoning.
Go ahead and put the butter in and let's turn it on. When we were first married, I made lemon pepper chicken for Travis an awful lot, to the point where he kind of got tired of it, and so did I. That was about the only thing I could accomplish.
So
it was good. Push it down. There you go.
Use the oven in a hot minute.
You mean the stove?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just push it down, turn it to light. When it clicks, you get a flame and then turn it over. Alrighty.
It's melting.
It's melting. How are y'all tonight? And what all have you done today? So, we're just going to get this melted. You can do that and rotate it around, or just let it melt naturally. But I used to get the lemon pepper seasoning mix that you can just buy at the store, and one day Travis and I were just kind of over it. We didn't get that anymore, but tonight I just had these lemons that look delicious. Travis said they were good, and so make me some lemon water, and I figure can't go wrong with lemon juice, butter, pepper. Never really done this before, but it can't be bad. And Kaitlyn's just hungry. She don't care what we eat as long as she eats, she said. You would think I starve her to death every time we do a video. She's always hungry. You got anything to talk about, Kate?
Oh, we started back school last week. It's going good.
That's good. We'll turn that down to just like, not the high boil, but just like a lower boil, I guess. It's got the middle and the outside big flame. Now the rest is going to continue, so that's fine to just let it.
Is it popping noise? No.
Yeah. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and get the chicken. Now you're just going to scoop it. I wouldn't start back here. I would just kind of do a little bit at a time. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. You may just a little faster. That way you can get it stirred.
Don't put the board in the...
Hold on. Let's bring it down this way.
It's kind of thick.
There we go. You see how you got to get to going with it. I'll help you with this part. Alrighty, now we'll get this out of the way. Just be careful not to splatter.
Okay.
Here you go. Let me lift it and get that butter distributed. We have a ton over here on this side.
I'll let you do the lifting because it's heavy.
How about get us some tongs? I think that might help spread it out. This is kind of a flimsy spatula here. It's kind of bending on me.
I had to move the thing just
Oh. Yeah, because it's already kind of turning white.
There they are.
That's good, but it's fine. So, I'm going to let you pour the lemon juice over and sprinkle me a good helping of lemon, this is garlic pepper.
Do I do it slowly?
No, it don't matter. It's going to get all distributed. Just, there you go. Good job. And just put that in the sink over there.
And then just sprinkle some pepper seasoning, garlic pepper seasoning.
Mm-hmm. Can't wait to see what it tastes like. Can't imagine it being bad. Okay.
Tell me when to stop.
I like a lot of black pepper, so if we think, I think
That's good.
I probably get just a little more, and then maybe get the black powder out. Black pepper, I mean. Then we can do just an additional black pepper. Oh, I have this one here. You can use this one. I love some black pepper. Just don't get it too close. You don't want it to touch your raw meat. All right, good job. Look, you can hold it and sprinkle it from way up there. It'll be fine. All right, you want to do the honors of stirring?
Mm-mm.
No, they can't even see you in video.
Oh.
Yeah, we might need to back up that camera so they can see you. There you go. I don't think they still can't see you, sweetheart. You don't have to
Back it up some more.
not back it up,
Oh.
like out. Yeah. There you go.
Is that better?
Maybe so. Can y'all see her? Yep. All right, so you can do this part. You can just, you see what I'm doing? You're just kind of scooping it under and flipping it over like that. There we go. That's what I'll do. I'll just move this one all together. Unless you pick up and flip over. Do you like lemon water? Mm-mm. I didn't think you did.
I mean, I'll drink it if that's the only option, but
So you need to do more than just flip the top part, because if not, your bottom is going to be so cooked and your top is not. You got to get the one off the bottom that's getting all that heat and do a major flip. Just slow down so you don't slosh it everywhere.
it's heavy.
Look, kind of do it like this, like a scoop, okay? See how I have it angled? Now hold it down tight and then just flip it over. And then move it over to a different section of chicken. Because if you're only flipping that top layer, the whole bottom will be overcooked and the bottom, the top won't be cooked enough. So you see what I'm saying? You just do it in little sections. I have a lot of chicken in this one skillet. I probably could have shared the love in a different one, but I love this cast iron. It cooks so good. You want to give it a shot? There you go. What you want with your chicken tonight?
I don't know.
We have salad.
We do.
I love salad. I may do that. There you go. Look how good you're flipping it. Now this is pink. See if you can't. No, not that. That's white. I'm talking about this pink right here. It's probably my angle. You can't see it. You see what I'm saying over there?
Oh.
You can get it down in the juices. I love chicken. If y'all want to give us some good chicken recipes, nothing fried though. I have tasted a little bit too much good food. Kaitlyn's been cooking me.
You can go again.
But I got to get back in the habit of eating a little bit better because I have not been. So I'm going to try not to do fried for a little bit. So y'all got any good chicken recipes? What's some of your favorite foods, Kaitlyn? Do you have a favorite?
Not really, but I like mac and cheese when I want it.
You about got burned out on mac and cheese last year, didn't you?
Yeah, that's just the microwavable mac and cheese. it just don't cook right, no matter.
Every time I went to the store, she had me going and buying her some of that microwavable mac and cheese.
I don't know why, because I got so burned out.
She did. She got burned out on it so quick.
I don't really know. I like pasta. But I don't really know. I don't know if I have a favorite. What do you like?
I like food. I am not super picky. Let me get this camera over here where they can see it cooking.
Man, it's only touched skillet.
Oh,
It didn't hurt.
it looks good.
Mm-hmm.
And this is just a stick of butter, 1 freshly squeezed lemon, garlic, salt, and pepper. No, garlic powder and pepper. I don't think there's any salt in it.
Well, I can make me a chicken sandwich.
There's a lot you could do with this meal. Okay, I'll let you have it back. I can't take all the fun.
That scared me.
I think I want a little more black pepper. You okay with that?
It don't matter.
They can't see you now.
Oh.
Is that a yes or no on the black pepper?
It don't matter. You can add just a tiny bit more. Not a ton. There you go.
It's looking good. I'm ready to eat. Let me relieve your arm for a little bit.
I didn't know if they could see me.
Probably not. I'll check with them. Watched any good movies lately?
Not really. I don't know. I've not been watching a whole ton of movies lately.
Uh-oh. We gotta fix that. We're gonna watch something tonight.
We may. I just don't know what we'll watch.
Have you got anything picked out?
I don't.
Uh-oh.
We've watched a lot of movies.
I know. Travis said the other day, he said, you about can't find anything she hadn't already watched.
Yeah.
Let's see. So once it's no longer pink, it's pretty much able to eat. I'm not seeing pink, are you?
So what I do now to turn off the stove?
What we can do is turn it off, and we'll cover it so the steam, if there is anything in there that's still like partially, the heat will cook it the rest of the way. You don't want to overcook your chicken because it will be tough. Alrighty, let me.
So to turn it off, I turn it that way? Like I said,
Which way are you talking about?
This way.
You can try it.
Oh. Ah,
Don't scare.
I don't know
Come
which
on.
way to go.
Which way turns it off, baby? You've done this a couple of times. Come on.
Okay. Is it off? Yeah.
It's off.
Like I said, I haven't used the stove in a while. Made me nervous.
You got this. All right, it won't be long and it'll be ready. And I'll feed you, Kaitlyn. I'll feed you, you poor starving child, you. Oh. All right, thank you for helping me cook my chicken, our chicken.
You're welcome.
Y'all have a
Bye.
good night. We'll actually we'll do a little video once we get to try it and taste it, make sure it's edible. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Y'all have a good night.
Bye.
All right, so
We're back.
Kaitlyn's just eating hers with just some.
The Hidden Valley Ranch secret sauce.
And
It's really good.
I made a salad with mine.
Mm.
Mmm. And I am going to put a little Caesar dressing on it. Ooh, let me see if I can't fix this. Well, well, there.
It's really good.
I thought it turned out good. It's nice and moist. I probably could have used a little bit of extra seasoning because I like a lot of seasoning on mine. But
That salad looks good.
do you want some of my salad?
Mm.
I have a big one.
I don't like salad. It just looks good.
Looks good. Well, I like these little. Let me grab mine. I like it with just Parmesan cheese, some salad toppings, and some kind of Caesar or Italian. I'm not real picky actually. I like Greek. I
like bacon bits.
I just like salad. So, all right, let me try one little bite on video for y'all, but I won't eat on video. I did taste a piece of her chicken.
Pretty good.
Oh. Do it, Kaitlyn.
Bye.